Ready to stop clicking and start flying through Excel? We're going to unlock some key shortcuts. Think about all that time clicking around. Yeah, it adds up. There's a much better way. And the solution? It's right at your fingertips. This isn't about memorizing, it's about transforming your workflow. First up, the absolute basics, managing your files without even touching the mouse. These 5 are your foundation. Master just one, and you're already saving clicks every single day. So how do you get around your spreadsheet way faster? Let's take a look. With these, you can jump around massive data sets in like a fraction of a second. It's crazy fast. Next up, we're editing data, and we're not leaving the keyboard to do it. These little bits of magic save you from typing the same stuff over and over again. Good formatting makes your data actually readable. Here's how to do it in a flash. You can apply all these common styles without ever having to open up that font menu. And for your numbers, these simple commands will give you perfect clarity. Super powerful stuff. Okay, this is where you really leave the mouse in the dust. Let's master selection. See how these build on each other? That progression is the real key to being efficient. Forget all that clicking and dragging. Select entire rows or columns with just one keystroke. All right, for our final trick, managing your data with some seriously powerful shortcuts. This one command gives you immediate power to sort, filter, and find exactly what you need. And of course, your clipboard crew. These are the essentials for moving data and fixing any mistakes. Feeling a bit overwhelmed by all this? Don't be. The goal is not to memorize everything right now. The real secret is just small, consistent practice. Seriously, just start with one new shortcut. So what's it going to be? Pick one from this explainer, use it all week, and feel the difference.